Are you a manufacturing plant concerned about your recycling? We're going to pay you to take away your scrap. We're going to pay you in net 5 days, and we're going to pay the highest prices in the Chicagoland area. My name is Joe Skoronsky. I am the owner. The name of my company is Greenway Metal Recycling in the Chicagoland area. We handle industrial/manufacturing, non-ferrous or ferrous scrap metal. We not only work with manufacturing companies, we work with a large array of companies for a one-time cleanup. If you have scrap metal that needs to be loaded into a container and requires transportation, we make it painless, very easy. We would pay you in 5 days. As a manufacturing plant, what should you be concerned about when it comes to your recycling? Well, first of all, it's good for the environment, and secondly, it's going to put money back in your pocket. We could come out and do a scrap metal audit, see the proper equipment you need, and outfit your business with a customized solution. Either a roll-off, dump hoppers in your plant, tote boxes, a trailer, a lugger box. It should be serviced properly, it should be documented, and those are all things that Greenway can provide you with. You could schedule a pickup by either phone, email. We could service you on a schedule that would fit your service needs. If you or your staff need to be educated on how to separate metals and what goes in the container, we're happy to do that for you. If you contact Greenway Metal Recycling for a scrap metal audit, we are so confident in our services, prices, and terms that we're willing to give you a $100 gift card to have dinner on us. Win, win, win. So give me a call. Let's put money back in your pocket. We're gonna pay you in net 5 days, better than industry standards. I'm Joe from Greenway Metal Recycling. I have all your solutions right here.